So you have vehicles all the way up here, guys. Vehicles. Welcome back to the channel, guys. And today we are at the St. Kitts annual Grill Fest, right? So we had the first Grill Fest last year. So this year, 2024, is the second episode. And trust me, guys, this year we have a huge turnout. Huge turnout of people. Fun part for the kids. Welcome to the Grill Fest, guys. Yeah, St. Kitts annual Grill Fest. We had it last year. A bit later than last year, eh? But I can't make it fast. I'm gonna show you guys what's going on. See here we have, guys, St. Kitts and Nevis annual Grill Fest 2024 edition.
I'm very surprised that the okras pair really well with, chew it down, that softness of the apple and that slipperiness. It's a unique addition to the chicken. Chef Seth, how do you feel about the main pair together?
And I tell you, guys, the place well decorated too. The place well, you know what I mean? Well organized. To me, it's more organized than last year.
It's about creativity. It's about taking chances.
Great job. I think the judges are prepared for you. I haven't tasted it, but it already made me hungry. What do you think, Chef? To compete. And this is the first thing I saw. And well, I've seen Chef pick up a plate to just look at the presentation. And I know Chef himself, he's a very talented person in what he does. And, chefs in their years of experience, they have a lot of attention to the plating.
Customer, yes, are you good?
The strategic.
Everything good? My respect.
She has the first drop has 4 seeds, the second is 3 seeds, the third is 1 seed, the fourth is in the pattern. Very strategic. From the chefs themselves. It's time to taste. Let's dive in. Sanitation and hygiene. So taste, preparation, presentation, and the use of the water.
You can win 1 barbecue grill and a sorted gift basket sponsored by Raffles. And don't forget, you can win a trip for 2 to New York via JetBlue. You got to be in it to win it.
So a special thank you to our number of sponsors. We just want to say thank you for all that you have done to make this event possible.
Definitely.
So we want to say a special thanks to Azul Printers.
Azul,
Pro Video Production.
pops, guys.
30 US. 30 US.
Right now, I'm sipping Magnum wine. Check what I'm saying? Just chilling there. Yes, I can't eat no food back right now, you know. But I remember I support them last year. Yeah, my people. So enjoy the vibes, guy. Yeah. Right now, you're by sipping some Magnum, you know what I mean? And just chilling here. Think it's Grill Fest 2024. And trust me, guys, to me this year is better than last year. Yeah? Hope you guys enjoy. And guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, people. Smash that subscribe button. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe to Tickets and Nevis Island Life channel. Big up, people. Yeah. Magnum, we drink it.
We have people still coming. How much? 55. Easy or US? Easy. 55. How much? 24 US. 24 US. $9 and
Keep not telling people, it's a mad crowd over here now. Mad crowd, guys. Mad crowd over here.
wow.
Is what we start to think about. It's an experience, and they're expected to enjoy the experience, and they're unsure because, as you heard, I'm the general manager for Vice Beach Bar. I might just be looking to hire somebody. So if they impress me here today,
like that.
a job is on the line as well for somebody.
Just like that. You understand?
State, was it? No, it was.
The signature for the restaurant meal. So it's gonna be interesting. I'm looking forward to it. There are some different ways you can use papaya, but I won't say anything else on that.
All right, so what is going to happen today is that they are going to go head to head. So the first two is going to be Jesse Estefan and
Keston Herbert.
all right, followed by two others, and we're going to share their names. So last year what we did, there were 3 participants, and they did it all at once. So what we're going to do is have 2 of them compete. As you heard, there's a first prize winner.
Jesse,
and a
roll up the
second prize
sleeve and
winner.
say, Jesse, roll up the sleeve and say,
Right.
Trouble now, you know.
Okay,
Trouble.
so come on down and show us what you got. So Jesse, before
Hold
we
on, they have a
start,
time limit. 5 minutes.
okay, so each of you have 5 minutes. So tell us, have you ever created any cocktails before? What is your experience? Are you a cocktail lover? Tell us. He's shy. So Jesse's gonna allow his cocktail to speak for itself.
Oh, yes.
All right. So we're gonna move right over here. So tell us about your experience in doing cocktails, and if this is gonna be a fair battle, because I'm seeing that you're wearing a Clifton Estate rum shirt. So I don't know if it's gonna be fair and square. Please tell me you're an amateur.
I am back in Jesse Estefan. Yes.
The trophy is now going back Nevis now. He's not shy anymore. He's confident.
So we are counting them down.
All right. So
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go, Jesse. Let's go, Jesse. You come back in.
Let's go.
Yeah, guys, they're making a cocktail. A cocktail using rum and papaya.
Seasonal in the blender. Trouble now. What? Me are here. On. Just turn it on.
Everything done sell. If you're looking for sweetness to put inside a basket, I am the whole drinking man.
See you again. Just there.
And if you're looking for sexy to throw
What?
inside
What are you? Story that is not. Story that is not. Just see that story.
drinking market,
Just see that.
first time right, open up with a jelly inside. And if you open your eye and mind, you will see everything that you like. So that you like,
Jesse turning on the room. And Jesse, everybody gonna jump. You want to do?
It's a cocktail.
Jesse, what is it? Let it up, Jesse. Let it up. I tell her Jesse don't bang him that, you know. I'm back in Jesse.
juiciness, squeeze my honey juiciness. Bumper look
1
like
minute.
an apple, bite into the fruity.
1 minute and 40 seconds. 1 minute and 40 seconds to go.
Everything fresh,
Jesse, let's go.
when you come
Present
in, everything
Jesse.
done sell. If you're looking for sweetness,
Give us the name of it.
and what inspired it.
This
You
cocktail
give it
is
a
called
name. You got the name.
Papaya Pleasure Point.
That's a point. Yeah.
Papaya Pleasure Point, PPP. Hallelujah.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Triple P. Triple P, guys. Papaya Pleasure Point, eh?
Okay, so I have a bit of pineapple juice inside. I crushed the papaya. I put a bit of passion fruit juice inside, a bit of grenadine, simple syrup, and I also use the shipwreck rum, coconut, and the spice rum.
Okay
Yes.
then.
Jesse, tell us about your drink. What's the name of it?
Jesse said he don't try everything.
Make me wet.
What? Jesse!
I like the guys. I like the. Guys, you hear that?
W.
Guys, you hear that?
Make me wet.
Real deal. Real deal. Real deal.
You tell us what's in your drink, Jesse.
I'm secret.
Top secret. Top secret. So the judges are tasting and they're talking amongst each other.
Oh yeah?
All right, so Jesse, I want to taste this. Hopefully it doesn't make me wet. The sun went down, I'm not wet anymore, so I'm dry, so I'll stay dry.
Well, Jesse, if that's the name of it, I'm sorry, I pass in. I got to take a pass, yeah. Take a pass? Yes.
So judges will allow you to taste the triple P, to tell us your opinion, and deliberate.
Remember, the first place winner is going to win a grill and a grill set. And the second place, a blender.
You know, taste it, man.
Taste,
Taste it. It tastes real good. No, it tastes real good.
Tastes real
No,
good.
according to the people, no cap. It tastes
But look at
real
Fred.
good.
Look at Fred. Get ready.
Nice and smooth. As much as I saw him like pour a lot of rum into it, it's not that bad. And he has that nice milky texture.
Okay,
It's
put,
really good.
put mine to go. Yeah, put mine to go.
And you can taste the
Yeah, put mine
richness
to go.
of the papaya. So it's really good. It's really good.
But yeah, Jesse, I'm backing you.
Jesse, but this is really good. I could see myself drinking this and asking for this at a bar. So I'm gonna try this one. Triple P. Nice. There's a nice little like pulpy aftertaste to it because I guess he crushed it in the cup.
He can't back Jesse. Jesse
This
winning.
is a nice balance. I like.
I'm not telling you guys, this crowd is a mad crowd compared to last year. Crazy crowd people. Guys, last year was good, but this year is way better. Better. People look at this crowd. Think it's Grill Fest 2024.
$18 and over. $20.
Everything fresh, look at the shelf. When you come late, everything done sell. If you're looking for sweetness to put inside a basket, I am the whole blinking market. And if you're looking for sexy, throw it
60 seconds to go. 60 seconds.
whole blinking market. I'll first them right. Open up in the day inside. And if you open your eye and wide, you will see everything that you like. Today you like, waiting forever in season. Ready for the squeeze. Hey,
40 seconds to go. 40 seconds to go. Coming up to the wire. Coming up to the wire. 20 seconds to go. It's coming down to the wire. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
Step away from the table. That was tense.
Why, yeah, boy? You see? The derby like Jesse. Jesse finishing record time. 1 minute and something.
Them take too much, man. Partner finish
All
up.
right, so Ozzy, tell us about your cocktail.
Yeah, we need the name.
Find my finish the
Tell us
time.
the name of your cocktail and what inspired it, what you have in it.
Take it down. Take it down. Alright, so this one name Papaya make you can't hear nothing. What? Say that again? What? This one name Papaya make you can't hear nothing.
You can't hear
Papaya
nothing.
can't make you can't
Hear
hear
nothing.
nothing.
Okay,
Yeah, you
okay.
know what? Yeah, no, can't tell you what. Okay. So when you taste this, right? It's like a masquerade of flavors just dancing on your tongue. What? Right, so you're just so intertwined with the performance.
You check.
Yeah, man, you're just locked into the drink. You can't hear nothing.
Yeah, man.
Okay, then I like that. Yeah, man. Papaya make you can't hear nothing. But yeah, that's it, fun.
Alright, wonderful. So I hope the papaya make you ain't can't hear what the judges say. Just a who in our hearts. Telling you. But anyway, how do you feel about, how the flavors came together in terms of the rums that you use in it? What rums did you use to infuse it in the flavors? I'm seeing nods over there, so they're like,
When they're going through with them, man. This one is the shipwreck gold, and I've mixed it with a little bit of coconut rum. Right, and I usually good with very good with proportions, so I think I didn't want the rum to overpower the papaya, so I kind of go minimal on the rum with the 2 sound to overpower the flavor. Good job,
alright, nice. Alright, so Joseph, is this gonna make the judges drunk? What is the name of this cocktail?
Well, today I'm gonna make you guys feel fruitful, right? I want to give you guys a flavor of levels of fruitfulness. Beneath my glass there, we got 3 flavors. We got orange, pineapple, and passion fruit. And beneath that there, we got a mango slasher, which gives you together a nice combination of nice flavors of coconut rum and a nice little spice rum together, mixed up together. A twist of lemon or lime. So for you, it's all about you enjoying and imagining what you could feel if you're in the level of what you are.
So what's the name?
Well, this is a nice drink called Ting-a-ling-a-ling.
School Belly Ring. What do you want? What you doing?
I love it. What I love about the description is that I think this drink should be called Level Up because there are different levels.
Yeah, guys, that one named Ting-a-ling-a-ling, you know? Yeah, man.
So at first I was a
Ting-a-ling-a-ling.
little worried or confused, but after he explained it, I just love how this is gonna make you go ting-a-ling-a-ling. Alright, I don't have any cups, so I'm not able to taste or give any feedback. Let me see what they have. So that I can...
I don't want to lose. We got 2 from international. Yo, DJ, turn it up.
So the grill itself is sponsored by SL Hosford's, and the grill set is sponsored by TDC as well as the blender. Alright, so we also want to say a special thank you to Hosford for the grill set. So the winner will get the grill set as well as the grill, and the second place winner will win the blender. Okay, so we want to say a special thank you both to TDC and Hosford's for their contribution.
Once again, we want to congratulate the organizers. Job well done. I think after last year we would have learned some stuff and then be ready, better ready and better prepared for this year. So I could only imagine what next year is going to be like.
Crazy.
So Golda and team,
Crazy.
wonderful,
Crazy.
great job. Alright, so great job. So as you know, we had 4 competitors this afternoon. And we want you to put your hands together for the competitors.
Yeah, man, yeah,
It's
man,
not
yeah.
easy going to the people and
Yeah, man, yeah,
doing what
man.
they did
You check?
and creating what they created.
Job well
Even
done.
with the names, that's a creation too. So we want to thank them. But we move on. Out of the 4, we're going to place 2. So we're just going to announce the second runner-up and the winner here this evening. And so, the first runner-up, sorry, and the winner. So the first runner-up, in presentation, 8 points. In preparation, 3 points out of 5. Hygiene 2. Technical skill 3. Taste 6. Confidence 5. Amassing a total of 27 points.
We have Keston Herbert. Calling Keston to the stage.
What's the matter, my boy?
Oh, so Keston is not here with us. He had to
His prize on
catch
the
the
boat.
boat, so he is gone over to Nevis, so we'll send his stuff to him. Our winner for today. And we want to say congratulations to the other two. They did well. However, our winner. Presentation, 8 points. Preparation, 3 points. Hygiene, 2 points. Technical skill, 4 points. Taste, out of 10, 9 points. Confidence, out of 5, 4 points. Amassing a total of 30 points. Our winner is...
Ozel
Papaya.
Papaya make a carry or nothing. Calling Ozel to the stage.
Alright. We want to say congratulations to Ozel. We know that Pino was nothing for Jesse, but you know, everyone can't win. I hope Ozel can hear us right now because he said Papaya make you cry.
It's nothing.
Oh, he could hear us now. Jesse was good.
They say he came to. Yeah, man, big up. Papaya makes you hear nothing. Respect.
Congratulations. So he has won himself a grill compliments SL Husbands and a grill set compliments TDC. Congratulations. Job well done. Alright. So up next is gonna be the announcement.
Yeah, bring the table up here. Let's send our lights down there so the table needs to be up here for the... Turn around, hey, turn around, I like it.
Chef Lavon, guys, Chef Lavon.
1, 2, 3, bend a car, bend a truck, bend a van. What? Come in the chance, hey. Hey, me mother's here. Hello. Yeah. Stop it. You're so short. Can you come a little closer for me, please? Yeah, just there. Right there for me, please. Can you come up? Yeah, come a little closer because you're so short I can't even see you. You see, yeah. Me and you short like, yeah, right there, good. Right there, let's go. Mira, I like how you whine, baby. Light camera action. I mean, I'm gonna praise to you. Are you look good? Yeah, I like that. Other working. Hey, mira. You look good. Hey. Stop it. Okay. We're going to the left first. So Party, I tell you so. All I get A+.
When we on the road, what we balancing,
well, compliments JetBlue last.
Last, okay.
So if you want the
Okay.
opportunity to win a trip for two to New York, compliments JetBlue, go right ahead and
So
buy your
everybody
tickets.
out there who got ticket right now, so please, ticket number don't call first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, sixth, yeah, call last.
All right, we have some fantastic prizes. We know the food has been amazing.
Oh, yeah.
And we wanted to add a couple of more reasons why you should support this event, and we have some amazing prizes for you. So once again, thank you all for coming out, bringing the family and enjoying what we have, and that we have to let the world know that since, so you have to be present to win, and it's coming, the box is coming.
Last chance, you see? Well, one team with kitchens and divisions by. They're always late, yeah. Let's go, hurry up, hurry up. Time going. We say you ready to go on JetBlue? Hi, that's telling you.
So JetBlue has service 3 times a week. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. From the cable for free internet, upgrade for 3 months. We have 1 voucher. Tour of 2. Tour for 2 sponsored by the St. Kitts Scenic Railway.
Oh yeah.
We have a catamaran tour for 2 sponsored by Blue Water Safari.
Whoop, whoop.
We have 1 barbecue grill, an assortment of gift baskets sponsored by
The
Rams.
good food people.
And then
Oh
we
yeah.
have trip for 2 to New York via JetBlue.
Blue.
So we have some amazing prizes.
Me not tell
and
like
lots
guys,
of
everybody
you
want
will
a
be
trip to New
walking
York, you
away
know?
with something
Yeah man, it's
extra
the me
to
chef
you.
lover want right now. Trip to New York.
Alright, so you ready now? We ready now? Yeah, I got your last tickets. Take it down.
All right, so top up compliments.
Okay guys, the
go.
raffle goes right
And we're
now. Raffle
shaking
time
that
now guys.
box 'cause
Raffle
somebody
time.
say, you cheat. All right,
So
so
we're
we
gonna-
got our first ticket.
Raffle time.
Okay. What we're gonna do, we're gonna call the last 3 numbers. Listen up, the last 3 numbers. Ticket number 248. 248.
248.
Come on down. Ticket number 248. And this is for a floor
Top up.
top up. Ticket number 299. Ticket number 299. 299. 299. 299, I tell you. Come on down. Wait there. Hold on. I have to verify. We got tickets here done by. Which one? 299. Okay, yes. So, yeah, come round. Yeah, come around.
and receive
You
your
look
prize.
good. What you mean?
This is a top up compliment. You look gorgeous. Woo. You're beautiful just the way you are. All right, come on in the center. In the
Come in
line.
front there.
Right.
All right.
Congratulations. All right, so she's walk herself a combo plan compliments flow.
Next
time. We've got so many prices that we've got.
Ticket number 273.
Wait, somebody's running coming.
Oh my God. Oh my God. She's coming. Let's see what ticket she have. Yeah, some, in here so full, sometimes they way to the back. So we have the
Ticket
number.
358. All right, 358. Let's verify that. Pino, verify that.
Okay, 358. Come on round.
And we've got
Ticket.
273. 343.
All
going
right.
once. All right, we've got a winner.
The back check-in.
And look at that. Imagine you spend $20. You get
343.
it
Come
back
on round.
even more. We know that combo plans are like $35 and up. So you get back what you spent and more. With some wonderful.
Yeah, just turn around and take a picture. Here, hold it. Show it. Both off. $100.
Compliments, Carabelle Boutique.
And that's $200.
$200 easy dollars. I told you we had two mixology.
All right. Ticket number 314. 314. 314. All right. Take it out. Take it out. Ticket number 317. 317.
Come on down.
317. 317. No? 297. 297. Okay. Would you like a representative?
Sorted gift basket sponsored by
Ticket number 274. 274.
Is that you, Val? 274. Is that you, Val? Who is that? It's not you, Val. It's not you.
274. All right, come around.
My good Moravian sister. Alright.
So what number you want me call her? What number you want me call her? What number you want me call her?
Call your ticket.
What ticket number? What ticket number? What? Oh yeah? Uh-huh. Call it out. Call it out. It just might come out. It just... All right. So, shake it up. Let the Honorable Minister pull it out. The lucky.
Alright. And the ticket number is...
Ticket number 2 8 288.
288. Is that you?
288.
288.
Let me go.
Congratulations.
You don't got it?
New York.
Oh, you know that.
You don't got it?
Number 288. Going
288 going once.
Going twice.
288 going twice. 288 gone. Wow,
Right,
back
that's
again.
it, next.
Back again, boy. Then ticket number 240. 240.
240. Come on.
240. Got you. I see somebody running coming.
Run. Okay. False alarm. False alarm. False alarm. Ticket number 240 going once.
240. You got 40. Yeah, come. If you have it, come on down.
Come on down.
Want the chef them?
Oh, wow.
Well, if you ain't winning, you're going New York City.
Alright, come on up.
On
We're
the
just going to take a
JetBlue.
photo up with you.
Hey, 240 bar. Wow.
Congratulations.
Hey. Everybody's like, oh man. Champion. You're going New York and JetBlue. Photo. Do the dance. 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 Oh yeah. Yeah, do it now. Hey.
Chillax Grill with a total points of 36.3. Congratulations to the third station, which is Chillax Grill, placing second in the chicken category. The chicken category with a total points of 36.3.
Grand total points of 36.6. 36.67. The winner of the chicken.
Station number 4.
Last year he won it. This year he gone back to back. Make some noise for Johnny. Back to back.
Back-to-back winner of the chicken category.
Wow.
Give it up for Chappie, back-to-back defending champion of the chicken category.
Yeah, boy.
Officially the chicken master, the chicken grill master, winning himself $3,000 one of the hotels which he will be selecting. Congratulations. Let's give it up for Chapney, guys. Session number 1, the Kanjay's Bar and Grill. Come on down. The second place winner, sorry, dinner for 2, and at which with a massive total points of 38.67 in station number 4. None other than Shaniqua's Gourmet Kitchen. Shaniqua, come on down. Congratulations. You have won yourself $3,000.
Wow.
A trophy and a stay at either Belmont Sanctuary or the Park at St. Kitts. Congratulations, Shaniqua. Job well done. At station number 4.
Second place with the grand total points of 34.3. Second place goes to station number 3. Easy Taste. Come on down.
In the middle. In the middle. All right, we got to that. He's very excited.
Like you were jamming out your boy.
This is his first time participating, and he is very excited. I remember tasting his lobster, and it was just immaculate with the sauce. He did fantastic. So congratulations to him. He's won himself
$1,500 dinner for 2. At Marshall's. All right. Don't go too far. Don't go too far. 0.3 points. What do you think about it? Last year, he won the fish segment, and this year, he got the lobster. Big nod! With a grand total of 39.3 points in the lobster segment, big nod. I can't hold your team.
Was really strategic in his preparation. He deconstructed his lobster. It was diced, seasoned, and topped with a papaya salsa. And he did an amazing job blowing away the judges. They were very impressed. So
goes to station 1. These Kitchen Soup and Grill. Come on down.
Guys, it's the pork segment, the pork segment. The pork segment. Second place, guys, the pork segment.
He participated last year and he did return this year, and his special sauce was immaculate. He was even told by the judges that he should bottle it and have it as a second source of income. So he did blow away the judges. So we want to say congratulations to him. He's walking away with $1,500 EC dollars, as well as a dining experience, and we'll see which restaurant he selected. Dinner for 2 at Spice Mill, and we want to say thank you to Spice Mill.
The winner goes to station number 3, Bang on Bar and Grill.
That's the back champion.
Rastaman got the best pork in the federation. Okay, we want to invite all the winners, Chumney, Big Knot, and the rest. Could you please come on stage?
Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching, people. I'm not telling you lie. Appreciate it, you know? That is all the winners. All the winners. All the winners in the pork segment, the lobster segment, the fish segment, and the chicken segment. Yeah, we had 4 segments this year, guys. Last year was 3 segments. This year is 4 segments.
Ladies, girl, if you want, girl, you cannot. Sharing is caring, so you got to share me.